So I've been recording for about 10 minutes now, and it wasn't recording. So we're on railroad tracks right now, and basically what me and my dad both believe is the bloodiest battle fought in Gettysburg, or the most gruesome, was fought right here on these train tracks. So what happens is, like, there's a hill, and then it goes down, and there's the train tracks under here, and it goes back up into a hill. So the Confederates walk through the train tracks to be secured and not be seen by the hills, and to get into Gettysburg unnoticed. And the Union found out about them. They somehow got them, figured out they were doing that. So they went on each bank, boom, boom. The railroad's not here. Went on each bank and laid waste to the Confederates. They slaughtered them. The Confederates couldn't even escape. The Confederates couldn't even escape because they're trapped in this ditch. And each hill is like 50 feet high. So there's no way out. A lot of them got killed. Almost all of them. Some ended up surrendering, but they got fucking massacred here. We don't have a lot of equipment with us. I think we literally only have the cameras and an EVP recorder because we gotta be really quiet for this one. And that's the problem with Gettysburg, is that you're not allowed to be like on the park like after sundown. So like park rangers will find you and like kick you out. So we can't. We're really limited to the places we can go in Gettysburg. So yeah. So after sunset, you're not really allowed to be in the park. And Sachs Bridge is one of the more haunted locations in Gettysburg. And it's kind of off. It's like a main road still. So like you're allowed to be there, even though it's like park property. It's like a main road, so you're still allowed to be there. So that's why you're probably going to see a lot of Sachs Bridge. We're probably going to go there later tonight. Just imagine walking at a freaking hill, and that hill, just people laying down bullets on you when you're stuck in this ditch. Okay, it is July 3rd now. It is July 3rd, 2022. It's Sean, Aiden, and Dave in the railroad cut. And we would like to speak with anyone from Hills Brigade. I know AP Hills men were down here. If anyone's here, I'm going to set this right on the track. I know this track wasn't here 159 years ago. But if anybody's still here, first of all, I'm very sorry for what happened to you. Being stuck down here, whereas I can understand the strategic importance of being able to move without being seen, but ooh, God bless you for what happened to you here. This was a fate that no one should have to endure. You want to listen back, or you want to just roll? No, let's do a burst session.
Dude.
What?
I swear, I thought I saw somebody right there. The edge of that bridge, like peeking around the corner.
Oh shit.
Honest to God.
It's right behind me.
Yeah.
You can keep your eyes out. What the? Is that water? What was that? Is that like rocks moving? Yeah?
Yeah.
I hope this caught that.
That's my story.
What the hell was that?
We're gonna roll over here. There is a black cold spot, 58 degrees, hovering right on top of the bank.
Isn't it just because of the sky?
I don't know. Yeah, I think it's clouds. I'm seeing other anomalies up there.
Whoa,
Still
whoa, 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 whoa.
What?
An orb just fucking shot right at Aiden's face.
Is that right?
And that wasn't your like night vision shit.
Well, I don't have night vision.
Or your IR things.
I didn't feel anything.
Let me turn them off.
Yeah, sure. Sometimes like you don't have to feel anything for that. For like if an orb shoots in you, sometimes you don't feel it. But it went. This is like the most I can close it without it turning off.
Why did you see something?
I'm just hearing.
Unless the light from this camera, you know, got me a little bit light blind, which it could. Lost my night vision. It's kind of odd. So you guys wanna head over?
Yeah, I mean as.
Go over to Sachs Bridge.
All right. Railroad investigation is complete. We're going back to Sachs Bridge now. I'll see you there.
Okay, can you let us know what regiment were you in? Who was your commander? Do you know James Longstreet? Do you know who A.P. Hill was? Do you know who George Pickett was? How about Robert Ewell? What is your opinion on slavery? Do you agree with the Emancipation Proclamation, essentially releasing all enslaved people? Okay, can you let us know what regiment were you in? Who was your commander? Do you know James Longstreet?
Go back.
Did you hear that? Sound like
I heard a yeah.
James Longstreet.
Right there.
Do you know?
Right there.
I don't know, it may have been like a ch. Do you know James Longstreet? There's something in the background, I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Do you know who A.P. Hill was? You hear that? Oh.
Sounds like footsteps.
It sounded like a laugh.
It sounds like fucking footsteps, and there is no one walking.
Do you know who A.P. Hill was? Yes. Footsteps.
That's footsteps, and there is no one walking. They've been long gone. Holy shit!
Do you know who George Pickett was? How about Robert Ewell? What is your opinion on slavery? What is that?
What is that? Go back. What the hell? It's like something moving.
What is your opinion on slavery? Do you agree with the Emancipation Proclamation, essentially releasing all enslaved people? What is that noise?
What is that? It's like something,
It sounds like banging.
like something being moved around. And it's been completely silent this entire time. What the hell?
Can you tell us your name?
Is there anyone with us that participated in that grand charge? That's the first crowd.
There's a white ball, and I'm looking in front of the camera, and there's no bug. Is it? I don't see a bug. And it is right in front of the camera. Look at this. It's gone. There it is. Right there. Yeah. There's no bug. Is the thing with the light?
Could be light.
No, because it's gone.
Shine it back towards the light now. Same as we were.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
It's like a knock. Like a... No, it's like...
I'm sorry, knocking, by the way.
Yeah,
And Aiden yawning.
sorry.
Aiden's dead. Aiden, why don't you go sit in the car? Yeah, fine.
The light's gone. Oh no, it's back.
Could be a reflection from that light.
It could
That light is
be.
really bright. Yesterday I was shining my light over that light.
It's like moving around when I'm not moving.
I swore I
It
saw
like gets
something.
closer.
Oh wait, you see that?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's like getting closer and farther away. I'm not moving my camera one bit.
No, I definitely see that.
That's not a reflection, and I don't see any bugs.
No, I don't either. I mean, it doesn't mean there's not there, but my goodness, I didn't see nothing. I mean, there's no bugs around us.
No.
I mean, I haven't felt any mosquito. I haven't felt anything. There are beetles, and there's so many bats that they keep the bugs down.
Is there someone right next to me? Who's right next to me?
Could you tell us your name, please?
The light is completely gone.
Let's sing some songs. Who knows a song?
Alright, it's starting to rain, so I gotta turn this thing off. Sorry we didn't get too much today on day 2, but still love you guys. We'll see you in the next video at day 3. Peace out. Bye.